Hey everyone, how are you all doing? This is Misty here, and my phone keeps going off. Let me turn it down. I am here to do another vintage book share. Little disclaimer, you're going to hear the dude in the back. And, well, in saying that, this video is not for kids. Not for kids, y'all. This is for big people. Yep. So, if you're a kid, move on out. Move on out. See you later. Bye-bye. Okay, so I've been doing these videos for vintage books that I have found at the library for free. Yeah, you can't get any better than for free, y'all. Come on now. So I did find some magazines I'm really excited about. These are vintage magazines. How I will use them, I do not know. But I'm excited to figure something out with them. So let me show you. I'm just going to show you one at a time. Take it in the other room, baby. This one here. Let me pull my camera up just a little bit. There we go. Here is this one. It is called Traditional Quilt. Just a moment. Okay. He's a little excited about playing with his ball. This is called Traditional Quilting with full-size patterns in it. I don't know what year this is, but I'm sure we're going to find out. It was only, oh, I thought it was a price. It wasn't a price. Okay, so let's see here. Here is the front cover. Oh, no, this is the front cover. There is, just a moment again. Okay, let's see if this helps. There might be a little glare from my light, but I don't see a copyright in this magazine. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I do. Craft Course Publisher 1980. So I can't scan these and send them to you guys, but I can use them in my journals. So, but there's lots of awesome pictures in this. I haven't looked through them all, but I have looked through some of them. Like, cut these out. Those would be great stamps, by the way. These little individual ones, cut those out and make those into little stamps would be really cool, I think. Great little tuck spots. Depending on how big your journal is, they could be little tags. Really, really cool. And then you get this old piece here, and it tells you how to make puff pillows, country cushions. So that's really cool. Tells you about how to do the wall hangings. Oh, wow. Okay, it unfolds. Wow. Wow, look at that. Ribbon pillow border. This is for a vest. Wow. Look at that. That's really cool. Really, really cool. Yeah. That makes me happy. So there is, this one here wasn't really big at all, but it's cool. So, yeah, cut that bear out. That would be cool. So there is that magazine. And then here is the other one. I hope you guys can see that. Oh my goodness, my lighting is just horrible back here. Let me see. It's just horrible. Oh my goodness. Let me see, guys. Let me see if I can make this look better. I'm not batting 100, people. I'm not batting 100 at all. Let me see. I know I got it clipped around here. There we go. That's better. Okay. So, here is this one. It is Old Time Crochet Patterns and Designers, Spring 1980. It has a butterfly centerpiece on page 24. What's that mean? What does that even mean, y'all? I have no idea what that means. But anyway, let's get into it. These are really old. Already vintage looking for you guys. Yes, I love that. Great little pages to stick in a sewing journal or something like that. Really cool images that's in here. 1924, that says buffet set. Sweet. My phone's talking to me. This here's Sweet Emotions Dance on South 22nd. Does that one? All right. So my phone decided it needed to tell us the definition of sweet. How funny is that? Lots of really cool things in this book. So these are great. You know, I like these kinds of things because you have the great wording here that you can cut these out. The dates you can cut out. Little pieces like this you could cut out and use on a tag. Let me see if I can get that focus better. There we go. So, really cool, guys. Forget Me Not 1922 crochet things. Daffodil vanity set. This is really cool. I really like this book. Part of me don't want to tear it up, but I can't just keep all these things. Like, that is an awesome picture. Yeah. Lots of really cool things. Excuse me, I'm sorry. No, I didn't cough on my stuff. I turned my head. These would be great to cut out and use as little tucks, little, you know, embellishments on a page, on a tag, a journal card, whatever. These things would be great for, like this here. You could put this on a, glue that on a tea stained page in your journal, and that would look really cool. I think this here would be a great pocket. So yeah, this is I really like this corner tuck, envelope. All you gotta do is cut it out and fold it. There you go. So lots of cool things in this journal. 1917 handkerchief edging. That's really cool. Yeah. Curtain tie backs. Oh, look at that. Cut that out. Piece of ephemera right there. You can cut that out and use that as, you know, a little embellishment for a page or whatever. Possibilities are endless for those things. It tells you how to do flowers and flower baskets, sheets, pillowcases, night table doilies. It tells you everything you need to know, how many stitches and all that fun stuff, however, you know, whatever the crochet term is. This tells you all about how to do it, and that is really cool. And I might keep this one because I want to make like doilies and stuff just for the fact that if I don't have to go out and buy it, then I don't want to. I could just sit and make them myself. I don't know how Arthur's going to feel about it, but it'd be worth a try. So there is that one. And then here is a quick trips in crocheting. And this isn't a very big book. It was only 10 cents at the time. The copyright is 1952. That is awesome. So this here could be cut out and use that as a tuck. This is really cool, and it tells you what to do, how to make everything, how to crochet a lot of these items. So that's cool. I'm sure there's a lot of crocheting people out there that would really enjoy a book like this. Again, take the staples out and you can have a full page. You know, just take it out, cut it down to size, and stick it in your journal. That would be really, really cool. Look at the dolls. Now, my older sister used to make these kinds of dolls. She has passed on now. She's been gone for 13 years, but she used to make things like that. So, ooh, cup koozies. That's awesome. So there is that book. I mean, I've got tons of these books, you guys. Like this one here, sweater book. And it just shows you, like I said, in the other one, how to make a lot of these things. Really, really cool. I love this picture. Look at that. Timeless. Oh, how to generate a business? Do I really care about generating a business? I don't know if I do. I don't know if I do at all. But there it is. I didn't know I had that book. Bear Brand, hand knits for your young Americans. This is 50 cents at the time. What is the copyright on this? Copyright. Where is the copyright? I don't see a copyright on this magazine. I do not. But it's really cool. Has a ruler. It has some pretty cool pictures in it. Tells you how to make all of this stuff. But again, another really cool magazine that, you know, could be used in your crafts. Different really cool pictures, and this was kind of my favorite time, was the 40s, 50s, and 60s. So, and then Afghan, this in here isn't a very big book. I don't know what the copyright is on it. It's not going to tell me, I don't think. No. So, cool pictures of Afghans. Again, this is just stapled in, so you can just take the staples out and use the full pages if you wish to. Lots of really cool things in here. I like that one. I don't know why, but I do. And I have some Afghans. Sister made me an Afghan and made my dad one, and I've got daddies as well. And then I got one for my mother-in-law as well. How to hand knit socks. These are great, you know, to use in your sewing themed journals or whatever. Here is a Christmas one. Uh-oh, Amy. Christmas. Yes. Is this cross-stitching? Yes, this is you can cross-stitching. Plastic canvas stuff or, you know, the embroidered stuff. Either way, it would work, I think. But this is really cool, too. A lot of Christmas things in it. And then here is this one. It says things you would like to say. And it is also the whole stitching thing. And these would be great to put in a journal. And the copyright, I don't know what the copyright is. It says all rights reserved, but it don't have no copyright. So, the yarn crafter, I haven't even looked in this. Oh, it teaches you how to do it. It teaches you how to crochet and make loops and flowers and tassels and all kinds of things. I'll probably keep this one for myself. Okay, just one moment, guys. He's tearing something up. Okay. To knot or not knot. This is kind of cool. All these images here, they could be cut out. Used as, like this here would be great as a washi border. This would be perfect for a tag. Let's see. Yeah, lots of cool images in here that you can use for bookmarks or tags or journal cards. And like this would be great as a journal card or a tuck spot. You know, really cool. I'm set for ephemera for quite a while, guys, with all the books that I've gotten. Bicentennial and 76. A Hootie Owl. Teaches you how to make knots. That is cool.
Mommy, get in there.
Patient, please. Just a moment, guys. Okay, and so the last one that I have is crocheted scraps to a beautiful Afghan. That's cool, and there's not much in this book either. I also, oh yeah, copyright 1980, Little Rock, Arkansas. And again, it just tells you how to make these things. And like I said, you can, oh, okay. You could keep these and use them as a guide in how to do crocheting and stuff, or you can use it for ephemera and pages in your journals, which is what I'm going to do probably with a lot of the things I got, but some of them, you know, I'm putting in my personal collection. So, but this here, I will probably cut these out and use these as ephemera pieces. So, lots of cool. See, there wasn't much in this. I think maybe they might have taken some out. I don't know. But again, it has a ruler going down the side here, so that's really cool. So here is these books that I got, you guys. I have a lot more to share with you in the days to come. And then when I make things with these, I will be more than happy to project shares to show you what I've done with them. The great thing about doing stuff like this with these magazines is it forces me to step outside my comfort zone and use my imagination and make these into something else. There's tons of videos out there on how to do that, but I want to not watch videos on how to do that, even though I have. Like Natasha with Treasured Books, she has a fantastic video out in how to make magazine pages look vintage, and she's absolutely inspiring to watch. So go check out her channel. Her channel's linked down below, and I absolutely love that. But I do try to use my own imagination and come up with something different. And a lot of times it isn't something that I've come up with. Maybe I've thought, maybe I made it, but I'm not the first to make it. There's a lot of people out there that makes incredible things, and I'm sure that any ideas that I have may be my idea, but they've been created by someone first. So just to put that out there. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you would do with some of these things and ideas of what journals you would use them in. I would love to hear what you think, what you have to say. So, all right, guys, I'm off here. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, goodbye, God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.